If you want to cancel a Namecheap domain or turn off auto-renew, this video will walk you through it step by step. This is the safest way to stop a domain from renewing automatically while making sure you understand exactly what happens next. The good news is that you do not need to delete anything manually, and you can still keep the domain active until the current expiration date. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place, so it is the easiest spot to manage renewal settings. Now find the domain you want to cancel or stop from renewing. When you see it in the list, click Manage next to that domain. This will open the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control renewal, privacy, and other options. On the domain settings page, look for the Auto Renew option. This setting is what tells Namecheap to renew the domain automatically before it expires. If you do not want the domain to renew, simply toggle Auto Renew to off. In most cases, the change is applied automatically right away, so you do not need to save anything extra. If you also see domain privacy with Auto Renew enabled, make sure to turn that off separately if you do not want that service renewed either. This is an important step because privacy protection can sometimes renew on its own even after the domain Auto Renew setting is changed. So check both settings carefully if your goal is to stop all future charges. After that, confirm that Auto Renew now shows OF. Take a moment to double-check everything before you leave the page, just so you know the setting was updated correctly. This confirmation is important because it lets you know the domain will not renew automatically in the future. Just remember, turning off Auto Renew does not delete your domain immediately. Your domain will stay active until the end of its current registration period. After that expiration date, it will simply expire instead of renewing automatically. That means your website, email, or any service connected to the domain may stop working once the domain expires, so make sure you are ready before turning it off. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel a Namecheap domain renewal or turn off auto-renew in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.